Hello, this is duntov. I am at the Mirage. I'm gonna go check out, see if there's any more demolition, transformation of the property. So here's the Siegfried and Roy. This is their one statue that is gonna get moved to, I heard, the Neon Museum. But you can see the wall they got up. It is the fence with the fabric over it. Then you can see that's the one marquee. They did take down the name of the place, but the other one still has it. I'm gonna try to zoom in. So you can see there, that one still says Mirage Casino and Resort. So we are gonna walk on down, see if it looks like last time I was out here, they didn't take any of the water. The water was still in most of the volcano area. And we're gonna check it out. All right, so this is gate 2. You can see the Penta Building Group and the Mason Building Company. So I did get a lot of people asking me when they're going to tear down this building back here. So they are not going to tear that building down. That building is going to get just rebranded to the Hard Rock. So, you know, right now how it has the Beatles Love and Mirage and all on there, that's going to change to the Hard Rock. Let's look through this gate here. All right, we can see the water. We can still see the dolphins over there. Then you can see a lot of the trucks in there. So see all the dirt. They're tearing out a lot of the landscaping. And it does look like from here that the water is out of the main area. So I'm gonna put the pole up, put the camera over the wall. We're gonna check it out. Got another crack over here. Yeah, there's no water on this side, so all the volcano area is now empty. You can actually see how far away the wall is from the fence. All right, so I'm gonna get my stuff set up. I gotta mount my cell phone and pair it to this camera so I can see what I'm doing when I'm holding it up over the wall. It is warm. It's about 11:45 right now. It's probably 95 degrees, but it's a little humid. It's been trying to rain the last few days, but it hasn't produced much. All right, we're gonna try it over here. So give me a minute to set up and I'll see what we can find. Okay, we can see the water is empty out here. There's Treasure Island. And then this is all the volcano area. And that used to be like waterfalls coming down there. They're turning it into the Hard Rock.
Oh, the Hard Rock and that big guitar.
And they're gonna put the big guitar like right about where we're standing, right out front, where the volcano used to be.
Oh, okay, where the volcano.
So that's what I'm checking. They just got all the water drained out of it now, and
I got pictures from last year because I took the Goose bus and I got a bunch of pictures. So I'm pretty well set.
Yep.
All right. It was great talking to you.
Yeah. Have a good day.
Maybe a couple of years before they complete.
2027.
All right. So we got plenty of time.
Yeah.
We're in no hurry.
Yep.
All
3 years. Have a good day. All right. I just had a person walking by asking if they're closing it down. Yes, they are. Okay, so there's the old Mirage. I'm not sure when they're going to start taking like all the branding off of that building. You would think sooner than later, but so far no. I'm going to just zoom in a little. So remember, this is on my Pocket 3. So it does have where I'm viewing it on my cell phone. But it's very bright out here, so it's hard to even see on my, just the reflection. So really a lot of this, I won't be able to really tell what I'm looking at until I download it into the computer and render the video. But it sure looks like it's all empty here. I can't tell on here, but I wonder, you know, a lot of people throw money into these fountains and stuff, so I wonder if that's been scooped up yet. And here's where you can see again how far away these walls are from the, you know, from the, like, so the sidewalks did get a lot skinnier. All right, I'm gonna work my way down a little more. I want to see, because if you remember, in the water they used to have all kinds of lights and bubblers and even like jets for the fire to go along the water. So we're gonna see if that stuff's all still there or not. All right, I just moved down. Okay, it looks like that is all the area there. So this was the like main part of the volcano where it would shoot the fire out of the top here. You'd have the fire, then you'd have the waterfalls, but then they would light up the water so it looked like lava flowing down the sides and into this area down here. Yeah, still very hard to see on my camera, so bright. But it appears like it's empty. So that's Caesar's over there. That's the next door neighbor. All right, so I did have some people asking about, you can see that dome looking thing right there in the middle of the building. So that was the atrium. I get a lot of people asking if they're going to tear that out or not, and I didn't know, but then people were saying in the new Hard Rock rendering that it does show it, so I guess it's staying. I haven't seen the rendering recently, so I guess they're going to use that somehow. They're going to put something there, but don't know what. I don't know if they're going to keep the, I don't think they're going to keep it as like an atrium with the plants and stuff. So I did see the other day though, if you've been in here or if you watched my final walkthrough video, behind the front desk they did have the giant aquarium. That's been there since they've opened the place. And then when I came the very last time in here, when they were doing the drawing, giving away the 1.6 million, I did walk past the front desk and the aquarium was all covered up. So what I did here is they moved it to the Mandalay Bay. Now I don't know if it's part of the shark reef experience or not, but it did hear that it's getting moved, or it has been moved to the Mandalay Bay. So that's good. You know, I don't know if it's going to be the actual same aquarium, but at least all the fish and all the corals and stuff like that should be over there. All right. So I'm going to work my way down towards this Mirage sign here, see if we see anything else, and we'll check it out. Alright, I'm under this other sign here, this Mirage sign. But if we look inside, we can see that they are tearing all the landscaping up over here. All right, here's another view of the water feature. So you can't see there's an excavator in there. It is hard for me to tell. I can't tell like what he's digging. Sorry for all that. It's just so bright out here. I can't see it on this, because of the reflection. Because from what I could see, it kind of looks like that waterfall here, the rocks. But he just might be behind it. I can't tell until we watch it together when I download it. Yeah, but it's moving along, going quick. So if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, Raiders1967, because I'll be trying to do at least a weekly update of the Mirage transformation. Then also I been covering the Tropicana demolition, and then football season is starting up. Next week we have they're having a practice at the stadium, so I'll be going to that. I'll probably shoot a little video of that, and then we got next weekend preseason game against the Cowboys. That'll be Saturday. I think it's the 17th. So please subscribe. It'd be greatly appreciated. Alright, I'm gonna walk down. I'll walk around a little bit at ground level here. Alright, so this is considered gate 1. This is the entrance that is right next to Caesar's Palace. So this is, I think they're done for the day. I don't know. We got some crew in here. So this is gate 1. All right, there's the excavator that I think I was looking at. I don't know if it was that yellow one or that orangish, reddish color one, but can't really tell what they're working on there. All right, so here's the strip, Friday afternoon. It probably is right around noon. Let me see. That's 12:02. There we go. Another hot day in Vegas. So they are doing some kind of construction at the, well, you got the Venetian here, but I think the construction is next door at the Palazzo. Not sure, you can see the big crane up there. So they're, I don't know if they're just building a new tower. And it actually is just like, I've been to Venice once, years ago, but when they were doing construction on the buildings in Venice, they actually put like a cover over the constructions, just like this building is, where they make it look like it's part of the building, but it's really just like a fabric covering it up, just so you don't see the construction. So, and then everything that is in front, so that's St. Mark's Square, you know, in Venice. So everything was pretty accurate when I went there. Very recognizable. So. Okay, so this is the big wall. Pretty much like around the Tropicana, but I think the Tropicana's is higher. I would assume that all along this wall they'll start branding, you know, promoting coming soon, you know, Hard Rock, Las Vegas and stuff. So, all right, if you haven't been to the Strip in a while, it's a lot different than when I first moved there. Let me see how well we can see them. This is the most that zooms in, but we got, it looks like we got Minnie Mouse. I don't know if that's a transformer or what that other person is, but they have all the performers all up and down the Strip now. They want you to take pictures with them, but the one thing, if you do get pictures, make sure you tip them. They do work off tips, and I've seen some where people didn't realize that they were supposed to get tipped, that they were supposed to tip them, and they're not shy to ask you for it either, so make sure you take care of them. I don't know how well you can see the pink over there. They got the showgirls at the Venetian, so they're all around all the time. It's not like old Vegas. Old Vegas used to be able to walk. You could actually park in front of these places. They had parking lots along the Strip, but now, as you can see, they build all the way up to the sidewalk. I kind of like the old vibe better, but you know, it's all about the money and the experience, so they'll move everyone, you know, closer to the road. All right, I guess that's all I got for now. I've been trying to see if there's any like liquidation sale or stuff like that yet for this property. I haven't heard. So once I hear that, I'll let you guys know, and then I'll also try to go and do a video showing what they have available. So everybody, thanks for watching, and I'll talk with you guys next time.